Hey, Kurt Morrison here. Just finished the podcast on the Persuasion Easy button. Kind of borrowing that concept from Staples as far as making it easier, because you're making it harder. You're doing things that's causing resistance, making it easier for them to say no. I want you to do things that are to make it easier for them to say yes. So go to maximizeyourinfluence.com, check out the podcast. Of course, you get it on iTunes, Spotify, iHeart, but also on Maximize Your Influence, you get your free Persuasion IQ assessment. Check out influenceuniversity.com, and you can get the book Maximum Influence. Just pick up a little shipping and handling. Get it for free. It's the new edition. So one of the things I talked about was the guarantee. Take a deep breath. You want the biggest, strongest guarantee you can get. Oh, what if there's dishonest people? There are. 1 in every 10,000 is dishonest. I made that up. It makes me feel good. But it's very, very rare. When you're doing your job, you're exceeding your worth, then it's not an issue. Guarantees are critical. Now, only use a guarantee when people are sitting on the fence. Never lead with a guarantee. A guarantee because you cause your prospect to think, wow, okay, that's cool. I've got everything to gain and nothing to lose. That's what you need to do. You have to take ownership. Trust is at an all-time low. So you've got to take ownership there and figure it out. In fact, this happens to me all the time. I get invited to do a 90-minute keynote presentation. Of course, I have my products and services and coachings I need to sell at the back of the room. That's just what you do. And these are, say, salespeople or entrepreneurs or a variety of different people. 90 minutes. And a lot of them there at the end are sitting on the fence. And, we only had 90 minutes together. And so I just give them an incredible guarantee. And it doubles my sales. I'll say something like, hey, look, 6 months, try it out. If it doesn't double your income, 50% increase in your commission, whatever the promise is, a big, huge promise, depending on the audience, then, hey, I'll give you all your money back, an extra $100. You keep the materials. You're like, Kurt, whoa, that's too much. What if there's that dishonest person that duplicates it and loves it and it doubles their income? They still want their money back. Yeah, but that's very, very rare. If it doubles your sales, that's what it does for me. It doubles my sales. Then you don't have to worry about that one dishonest person every once in a while that raises their hand that either didn't go through it or is dishonest. Don't worry about it because it's going to double what you do. So let me talk about a few different types of guarantees that you can use. Just think about these. And some of these overlap a little bit, but that's okay. We get you thinking about what you can do with your guarantee. Here's the first one. The time guarantee. Now, people automatically get their 3-day right of rescission. Hear the verbal packaging there from Maximum Influence. Maybe it's 3 months, maybe it's 6 months. Give them a chance to use it, taste it, touch it, feel it, prove your worth. In fact, the studies do show the longer the better. And a lot of people get scared. Oh, 3 days, 3 days. I mean, 3 days is better than nothing. I think, that's the law. You got to check the law in your area and how that's set up. But the longer the better. Get them used to using it and understanding it, getting them used to you. Get a long guarantee. Prove your worth. Number 2, risk-free. Hey, you find it cheaper anywhere else, we'll double your money back. Try it. Doesn't work, we'll replace it. If something doesn't meet your standards, it's risk-free, no questions asked. It doesn't matter. That's just what we do. It's risk-free. So like, okay, well, I'll try it out. I'll believe you now. I've got everything to gain and nothing to lose. Number 3, the extreme guarantee. 10 times your money back. You've probably seen this on commercials. Empty bottle guarantee. Take the whole thing. And if it doesn't work, return it. Wow, that's extreme. Forever. It's good forever. Wow, that's an extreme guarantee. And they're like, wow, I've got everything to gain, nothing to lose. They know that you believe in your product or service. That is what you're looking for. Or maybe it's even a free trial. That's not as extreme as these other ones, but even a free trial. Try it out for a month. Remember, get it in their hands, foot in the door. We've talked about that before. That is a great guarantee. Number 4, the Untell Guarantee. Until you're successful. We're going to work with you until you're successful. So you have a goal or something you want to achieve. There's a benchmark that you have. Could be income. It could be a variety of different things. To say, look, we're going to work with you until you buy your first home, until you reach this benchmark. Until. So this could last 2 or 3 or 4 years, but they know that it's not over in 6 months or 12 months. You're going to work with them until they achieve that goal. Number 5, the safety net. This is the warranty, the promise will take care of you a year down the road, 2 years down the road. If you get a puncture in your tire, replace your tire, we're going to fix it. We're going to take care of you. This is what we're going to do. This is your safety net. Don't have to worry about it. We're going to take care of you. That is a safety net. Now, of course, there's some overlap between these, but it gets you thinking about your guarantee. Take a deep breath. Woo! Double, triple, quadruple your guarantee. They're sitting on the fence. It's only when they're sitting on the fence. You've already proved your worth. You've shown your benefits. that type of thing. And don't worry about that dishonest person out there. They're out there. They might take advantage of it. But if it doubles and triples what you do, it's worth doing this. It makes it easy. Do this. Look at your guarantee. Look at your warranty. Even if it's a personal promise from you, take a look at that. Persuasion becomes much easier, and you can persuade with power.